Did you ever think why customers open up to certain people? Have you ever noticed why certain customers or why people open up to some people and they say everything, like some agents, and they stay safeguarded or they stay guarded with others? Have you ever noticed that? You would have had so many calls, people talk to you, customers talk to you, but some customers are quite easygoing. They speak anything and everything with you. But some people, they are quite guarded. Now, some conversations when we speak about, they naturally feel deeper, safer, and more open, which is where the customers think that this is the place that I can actually speak about anything now. And that's usually because not of some better scripts that you're speaking something very wonderful and the customer is interested or is in awe of your conversation. No, it has nothing to do with that. It's because certain people create that emotional comfort very quickly. Remember, I've been talking about these emotional cues in the past 3 videos also, the 4th one as well. Customers can sense when someone is fully present with them, when you're not rushing into the conversation, when you're not performing or as a script or something, when you're not trying too hard to win over the customer or to get the sale. And that changes the entire interaction, because people always open up when they don't feel that they are judged. They always want to open up when they know that whatever they are going to say, it would be respected. So basically what happens is, when you're not pushing anything towards a destination, and that's why the best conversations would rarely feel aggressive. If you ever speak to somebody in Dreamport, you would see all the top agents, they would never be aggressive on call. So they are emotionally relaxed because the customer stops protecting themselves, and that's where you will see a lot of customers talking about their workplace, about their family, about family union, and they become more honest with you. Now they are more expressive, they are more real with you, and ironically, that's usually when conversations move forward naturally. So not because it's that the pressure has increased on the customer's part or on your part, but because the resistance has disappeared. When the resistance disappears, that's where customers open up. So the strongest communicators or the agents who perform here aren't always the most persuasive, because we know the call is ours, the conversation is ours. Sometimes they are simply the people who makes others feel more comfortable than being themselves. So basically we are being ourselves, and that's where the customer feels more comfortable. So that's your cue number 4. Make the conversation emotionally available for the customer.